In this video, we'll learn how to see who viewed your TikTok. Sometimes we can't help but be curious about who is checking out our social media profiles and watched our posts. So here's a simple tutorial on how to see who viewed your TikTok. To be able to see who viewed your profile, you need to turn on the profile view history first. For that, tap profile in the bottom right of the app. Then tap the three-line menu icon in the top right. Now select settings and privacy. Now tap privacy under account. Then scroll down and tap profile views under the safety section. Lastly, tap the toggle icon next to profile view history to turn it off or on. Now, despite providing a profile viewer, TikTok doesn't offer any video viewers. But still, now every time somebody visits your profile, a notification will pop up on your phone and you'll be able to know exactly who has been visiting your TikToks. We hope you find this video helpful, so please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to us for more helpful tutorials.